Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Hacks in Your Hands. So guys, in this video I will be showing you how to apply for co-op work permit. So most of you guys are maybe either studying masters or bachelors in your in any of the Canadian university, and you are about to apply for an co-op work permit. So I will show you like what are some steps that you can follow to apply for it. So for this application, I have actually referred the steps which shown by our university advisor. So I'm sorry if I am not informative about much steps in detail, but I will show you the correct way, like what to select and what you can choose in different questions. So let's get started. So first of all, if you want, first of all, you have to open GCK portal as you have used GCK portal for your study permit application. The same portal you will use. Now in GCK portal, you have to go in the start an application. There is an option called apply to come to Canada. Okay, and here you have to choose visitor visa, study, or work permit. Determine your eligibility and apply online. So for this first option you will select. Okay. Now, so first question they are asking, what would you like to do in Canada? So we are going for work. How long you are planning to stay? So it would be temporary, more than 6 months. Okay. Then select the matches, which one of your on your passport. So mine is India, so I will just go with India. What is your current country? Or if you are presently in Canada, so you should select Canada. Okay. Do you have any family member who is Canadian citizen? If you have, then select yes. So for me, it's no. Just choose your date of birth, whatever it is. Okay. Now I will go with the next. So what they are asking, are you a lawful permanent resident of the United States with valid US citizenship? If yes, then select yes, otherwise select no. Okay, what is the current immigration status in Canada? So if you are a student, then just select the student. Okay, so I'm actually into masters. I'm currently studying masters from Dalhousie University. So as per my selection, if you are also coming in the same category, then just go with the answers which I'm selecting here. Do you plan to work on campus? So as of now, this is not our primary goal. So we will go with option no. Are you a full-time student at participating and want to work off campus of 20 hours per week? Just select no. These all answers are shown by our advisor, so nothing to worry. Don't get confused and just select what I'm going with. Have you recently graduated from a participating Canadian post-secondary full-time and minimum of 8 months? So it would be no. And is your work an essential part of your studies? Then yes. If co-op is if internship program or co-op is a part of your studies, then you will go with yes. Now, have you been told IRCC that you are approved principal for permanent resident in Canada? If it's yes for you, then just go with that option. Otherwise, select no. Have you submitted a PR application in Canada? If you have already submitted, then yes, select yes. Otherwise, no. Do you have a written job offer? If it's all individual answers. For me, it's no right now. So select your marital status. So if you're single, if you're a student, then just like never married, single. What is your province of destination? So I would say if as of now, just select the province which you are studying right now. So for me, I'm into Nova Scotia. So I'm selecting Nova Scotia right now. Okay. So next is right. So what we have to select, we are going for co-op, right? So so these are all the two options they have shown us. Like either you can apply for temporary resident visa or you can apply for co-op. But our goal is to apply for co-op, so we will go with co-op option. Press continue. Okay. Are you accompanying any family member? If you are, if it's yes for you, then just go with that selection. Otherwise, press no. Do you also want to apply for a study permit? So, guys, if you are already studying, that means that you already have a study permit, right? So, for that, this question, it would be definitely no. We are not applying for study permit right now, right? Now, when does your status in Canada expire? So here you just enter the date when your study permit is going to expire. So for me, it's ending somewhere in 2024. So just select according to that date, okay, whatever the month and date it is. Then have you had any medical exam? So before coming to Canada, you already went for medical exam, right? So that would be yes here. Okay, do you want to submit an application for a family member? So I mean, if you want to submit application for a family member, then yes, press yes. Otherwise, select no. Are you giving access to? Are you giving someone access to your application? For me, it's no. No, we are not giving any access to any IRCC agent. And in past 10 years, did you give your fingerprints, biometrics? So most of the students, if you have already given your biometrics, right? So that would be yes for you. Are you able to make digital copy of your documents? So they are just asking if you're accessible with scanner or camera. So it's yes for me. Now the next is just you have to review all the answers. I mean, for your safer side, just look everything. So just review the answers one time and just select continue. Now we are about to submit our application, but before that we have to upload some documents. Okay. So on the next page, you will find the document checklist. Okay. There is one application form which you have to fill it out. So it's mostly the form which you have submitted for your visa, for your study visa, right? It's all some normal things like what's your uh, name, date of birth, and some basic information about you. They will ask in this form. It's a little bit bigger one. You may have to download Acrobat Reader for this. To just download the Acrobat Reader PDF application, and from there you open this PDF file from file and just press open and just fill this form out. Okay. The next they are asking for co-op letter, which is given to you from your university. Okay. Passport. So in the passport, I would recommend that you scan your first page of your passport, last page of your passport, of course. But between that, you put study visa, study permit application, and also the stamps. Like when did you come to Canada? The airport stamps. So that is a proof that you are already in Canada right now. And also, I would suggest just attach, just merge study permit PDF with this passport PDF. Okay. Next is digital photo that you can simply put the photo which you have submitted for your study permit. Next is proof of upfront medical exam. So the same document which you have uploaded for your study permit application. These are optional documents, so our advisor asked not to attach anything here. But if you want, you can put SOP, or I mean any simple letter you can write like hi, I am this and currently studying this program, and I'm about to apply for an internship, so I need co-op work permit for that thing. Yeah. And the last thing is it's a $0 fee. So there is no charge for this application. You can simply submit. I mean, you can gather all these documents, just upload the file, and simply you have to press submit. That's it. So guys, just an like brief overview about this form 5710E form. Just I will let you know like what things you should uh, take care. So this is UCI number which you will find in your study permit application on the top right corner. Service in which language? So English. Okay. For this, it would be apply for a work permit for this the first time or with a new employer. Okay, so these are some personal details. You can fill it out. So guys, actually, I will share you one some document guide. I have one link which I will share you in the description. From there, you will find specifically for this form. So there are so many questions to take care that you can find on in that form. One important thing I would say, just enter passport number and all, issue date and expiry date very carefully. Uh, my advisor has told me to put Aadhaar number. If you are coming from India, then put Aadhaar card number here as a national identity document. If you're not sure about issue date and expiry date, just keep it blank, leave it blank. Don't fill anything else here. Uh, Current mailing address, if it's same, it's address where you are living right now. Just put province and our postal code and everything carefully. And the last things are like coming to Canada. So this is the date and place where your original entry. So the first day when you entered Canada, and just some different details. If here you can put like to be determined, like name of the employer, complete address of the employer. All these things you can put like to be determined. Okay, and education you can put. Employment, I think I have put Dalhousie University, I mean the name of my university, and from where I'm studying, from date to date, and also so in the occupation you will put student. Also you can fill it out some past employment experiences here, and that's it. Here it would be mostly no, like if you have close contact with tuberculosis, no. Any physical or mental disorder. So, I mean, all these questions would be no. If you have been arrested or committed any crime, so no, no, no. And the last things are like just signature of the applicant and the date of the, I mean, when you are filling the form. So, I mean, just look it out that link, and from that link you will, there is one PDF. It's a guide for especially for this form. So just you will find all the answers in the in that guide. And even if you are feeling any questions, just put it out in the comment box. So either me or anyone who is who has already submitted this application, they can answer it out of your question or your doubt. So guys, I think this is helpful for you. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and share it among your friends who are also applying for the same co-op permit. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.